Hey, what's up everybody? Josh here, and this is the 14-inch IdeaPad Flex 5i 2-in-1. The Flex gives you the best of both worlds, both tablet and laptop, with fantastic battery life thanks in part to its Gen 11 Intel processor and Iris Xe graphics. And coming in at 3.3 pounds and a quarter of an inch thick, this thing is perfect for people on the go. And while the Flex 5 is priced like a budget laptop, this specific model offers some premium features like a bundled digital pen, fingerprint reader, and a backlit spill-resistant keyboard. But of course, the big feature here is the 360-degree hinge. The 2-in-1 convertible design lets you use it in laptop, stand, tent, and tablet modes. For instance, you can use it in laptop mode for typing, tent for browsing the internet, stand for watching videos, and tablet mode for touch navigation. This model is sporting an 1135 G7 at 2.4 GHz, Intel Iris Xe graphics, 16 gigs of nice fast 3200 MHz memory, and a 512 gig M.2 SSD, all of which is a recipe for super snappy response. One of the first things you'll notice when opening the Flex 5 is the build quality. There is a little bit of screen flex, but it still feels really solid. The case is made of anodized aluminum, polycarbonate, and glass fiber, which not only makes it extremely durable, but also heat resistant. And speaking of heat, during our benchmark test, the processor managed to get up to a toasty 94 degrees Celsius. That is, however, still under the limit for this processor, and the average temperature while browsing the web and completing other office-related tasks was around a cool 75 Celsius. For I/O, we have a full-size SD card reader, two 3.2 Gen 1 USB ports, and on the other side, a combo mic and headphone jack, one 3.2 Gen 1 USB-C, which supports data transfer and power delivery, HDMI, and a barrel connector for an optional 45-watt power adapter. The included power adapter is a 65-watt USB-C charger. And speaking of charging, this machine has both quick charge and smart charge features. Smart charge allows for 2 hours of use on just a short 15-minute charge, and quick charge technology allows the laptop to charge up to 80% of the 52.5 watt-hour battery in just 1 hour. But how did the battery perform? During our benchmark, video playback lasted an impressive 9 hours and 11 minutes at 75% brightness and the headphones at 50% volume. And that is without putting it into airplane mode or making any other adjustments. The Flex 5 has a buttonless multi-touch touchpad that's nice and buttery smooth to move around on, thanks to its fancy mylar surface. The keyboard feels great to type on, and that nice bright backlight is always a welcome addition. To the left and right of the keyboard, you'll find 2-watt front-facing Dolby certified speakers. At 100% volume, they were distortion-free and plenty loud enough for normal listening. They were a little bit on the tinny side, but nothing unusual for a laptop this size. Above the screen is a 720p webcam, which is a bit noisy, but pretty standard for a laptop at this price point. It does offer a security feature. There is a little security shutter so that you can block the webcam when it's not in use. The screen is a glossy, smudge-resistant 14-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Plenty of resolution for this size screen, with text and graphics looking nice and crisp. And the screen should get plenty bright enough for you at 250 nits. You will occasionally get some glare on the screen, but hey, it's a glossy display. Nothing new there. The screen supports 10 finger gestures, and you can write, paint, or sketch to your heart's content with the included Smart Pen. The Smart Pen is powered by a quadruple A battery, which it comes with, and offers 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The pen comes with a little plastic holder that fits snugly into the USB port, which is really handy if you're, say, carrying this thing around the office and using it in tablet mode. Lastly, for connectivity, you have Wi-Fi 6, either AX or AC, depending on the machine, and Bluetooth 5.0. So who is this for? Well, it's a solid choice for most home or office users, as long as you don't need any serious power. I mean, you're not gonna be running CAD software or playing AAA games on this thing. But for everything else, this is an absolute winner for its versatility, long battery life, and solid design. If you want to check the IdeaPad Flex 5 series out for yourself, I'll throw a link in the description below. And be sure to check for sales. Right now you can use code SAVEMORE to get over $150 off on select IdeaPads. But if you missed that sale, be sure to check back on Lenovo's website, because they always seem to have web exclusive deals going on. And if you happen to be into gaming or just like Star Wars, and you want to check out this sweet Star Wars Rebel Assault shirt, I'll throw a link in the description for that as well. I do use affiliate links for all the products I drop in the description. Anytime you use one of my affiliate links, you help support the channel. And if you enjoyed this video or found it useful in any way, shape, or form, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and visit me elsewhere on the web. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and on my blog, joshmcdoris.com. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.